Hello friends, welcome to All That Matters, a channel about all and everything. Children mostly are fussy eaters. If they like something, they eat so much of it, or if they don't like, they do not even touch it. There is one recipe or one food which my kids absolutely love. Any time of the day, they are okay to have it, and moreover, it's healthy as well. Today's recipe is a healthy version of pancakes made with bananas, egg and wheat flour or atta, not the regular unhealthy maida or refined flour. Of course, it has a little sugar. So, let's see how to prepare banana pancakes. This recipe is so easy, it can be made instantly. There is no waiting time, there is no settling time, and as in most of the pancakes recipes, we are not adding any kind of baking soda or baking powder, and hence it is very much kid friendly. So, let's get started. Take a well ripened banana. Here I am taking a robusta banana because it doesn't have seeds and it will be very soft. Take it and make it into small pieces. You can use your hand to make it into small pieces, and then with the help of a fork, press it against the utensil like this and mash it well. All the pieces need to be mashed like this. If you press it like this, the banana, since it is soft, will get mashed well. Do it like this till it becomes a soft mushy mixture. See this? This is how it should become. Gooey kind of paste. Mash it well till all the pieces of banana are well mashed and there are no chunky pieces in it. Next step, take one egg, break it into the banana mixture, pour it in, and then mix it with the same fork and combine it with the banana. See how I am doing. You can do like this and combine it well with the mashed banana. Mixing it like this helps froth up the egg and the pancakes will turn out to be fluffy. Add about 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, a pinch of salt and 3 teaspoons of sugar. You can adjust the sugar based on your sweet preference. Once you add it, mix it in well till it gets combined with the egg and banana mixture. Ensure that the sugar gets melted in, because after we add in the flour, it is difficult for the sugar to mix in. Next step, add about 100 grams of wheat flour or atta. Then add about 100 ml of milk, not at once, little by little, while combining with the flour and the mixture till you get the required consistency. Ensure there are no lumps and all the ingredients get combined well. The final mixture should look something like this, not the dosa batter consistency but of idli batter consistency. Light the stove, put a tawa on it, let it get hot, and then put a small piece of butter. Once the tawa is hot enough and the butter gets melted on the tawa, take 1 ladle full of batter or the wheat flour mixture and pour it on the tawa gently. No need to spread it out like how you do the dosa. Just pat it gently. That should suffice. Once it gets cooked on the bottom side, gently flip it to the other side and let it cook on the other side as well. See how beautiful it looks. After the other side also gets brown, you can flip it again to ensure everything is properly cooked, and then take it to a plate. It's ready to be served. Beautiful, isn't it? Just drizzle some honey on top and your kids are going to so much love this. You can also serve this with chocolate syrup. The Hershey's syrup is what I use. I haven't used it for this pancakes, but usually I use either honey or Hershey's syrup. Please let me know in the comments below how it has turned out for you, and if you also liked it and how your kids liked it. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.